Hello everyone, welcome to iCan Training Institute. Please find the question and answer sheet of 9th class Sainik School Exam 2021. Section A Mathematics. Question 1. A sum amounts to rupees 4410 after 2 years at 5% compound interest per annum. What is the principal? And the answer is option number 3. Question number second. What will you get when you subtract 3x minus 4y minus 7x from the sum of x minus 3y plus 2z and minus 4x plus 9y minus 11z? And the answer is option number 1. Question number 3. Find the remainder when 5x square minus 4x plus 3 is divided by in bracket x minus 2, and the answer is option number 2. If x minus 11 by divided by x is equal to 3, then the value of x into 4 x4 plus 1 divided by x4 is, and the answer is option number 2. Question number 5. The area of the square having diagonal of length d is given by, and the answer is option number 2. The parameter question number 6. The parameter of a circle having area 154 square centimeter is, and the answer is option number 2. Question number 7. Find the area of rhombus having perimeter 80 centimeter and one diagonal 24 centimeter, and the answer is option number 3. Question number 8. I purchased 1 dozen pencils at the rate of 5 paise per pencil. For how much should I sell a pencil to make 20% profit? And the answer is option number 3. Question number 9. If the height and the radius of a cone are doubled, the volume of cone becomes, and the answer is option number 4. Question number 10. The total surface area of the hemisphere of volume 1944.04 cu centimeter is, and the answer is option number 2. Question number 11. The value of 125 minus 1 into 3 is, and the answer is option number 2. Question number 12. The value of 64 2 divided by 3 bracket complete 1 divided by 2 is, and the answer is option number 2. Question number 13. What is the value of in bracket 1 divided by 2 minus square plus 1 divided by 3 minus square plus 1 divided by 4 minus square, and the answer is option number 4. Question number 14. The additive identity for integers is, and the answer is option number 1. Question number 15. Associate property of multiplication of integers, and the answer is option number 1. Question number 16. If ABC is an equilateral triangle of side A, then its altitude is equal to, and the answer is option number 2. What is the ratio of volume of cylinder and that of a cone on the same base and of the same height? And the answer is option number 4. Question number 18. A vertical pole 40 meter high cast a shadow of 10 meter. What will be the height of a tree that casts a shadow of 15 meter under similar conditions? And the answer is option number 3. Question number 19. If 50 workers can build a wall in 48 hours, how many workers will be required to do the same work in 30 hours? And the answer is option number 3. Question number 20. If A plus B, B plus C is equal to 5 and AB plus BC plus CA is equal to 10, then A cube plus B cube plus C cube minus 3ABC is, and the answer is option number 1. If A divided by B plus B divided by A is equal to 2, then A3 minus A cube minus B cube is equal to, and the answer is option number 3. Factorization of 3 into 3x cube minus 8 is, and the answer is option number 1. Question number 23. What is the number of possible outcomes in throwing two dice simultaneously? And the answer is option number 3. Question number 24. Two coins are tossed simultaneously. The probability of getting at most one head is, and the answer is option number 2. Question number 25. There is a food provision for 100 men for 30 days. If the number of men is reduced to 80, the number of days the food could last for is, and the answer is option number 3. Question number 26. The difference of a two-digit number and the number obtained by reversing the digits is always a multiple of, and the answer is option number 2. Question number 27. In a triangle, if two of the angles are complementary, then the measure of the third angle is, and the answer is option number 4. Question number 28. If the exterior angle of triangle is 60 and their interior opposite angles are in the ratio of 1 to 3, then the angles of the triangle are, and the answer is option number 3. Question number 29. If traveler instructs two parallel lines, then the consecutive interior angles on the same side of the traversals are, and the answer is option number 2. Question number 30. At what distance does the point 12 and 5 lie from the origin? And the answer is option number 3. Question number 31. A can do a work in 25 days and B can do the same work in 20 days. If they work together for 5 days and then A leaves, in how many days can B finish the remaining work? And the answer is option number 2. Question number 32. From the pie chart, the shares of central angle for food and fuel respectively are. Here are the expenses: house rent, clothing, fuel, food, others. And the answer is option number 2. Question number 33. What is alternate name of the pie chart? And the answer is option number 3. Question number 34. Line I is perpendicular to line M and line M is perpendicular to line N. Then the lines are I and N are, and the answer is option number 1. Find the sum of 3.2 and 5.4, and the answer is option number 4. What should be added to minus 7 into 3 to get 3 into 7? And the answer is option number 2. The difference between two whole numbers is 66. The ratio of the two numbers is 5 into 2. The two numbers are, and the answer is option number 3. Question number 38. If angle A and angle C are two opposite angles of parallelogram, then the answer is option number 2. Question number 39. The length of the tangles of a rhombus are 60 cm and 12 cm respectively. Find the length of each of its sides, and the answer is option number 2. Question number 40. If the mean of the following data is 8, then find the value of x, and the answer is option number 2. The value of 1 plus 1, 1 plus 1, 1 plus 1, 1 plus 1 into 9 is, and the answer is option number 1. Question number 42. If the mode of distribution is 12 and the mean is 3, then the medium is, and the answer is option number 4. Question number 43. The square root of 0.000000121 is, and the answer is option number 3. Question number 44. Which list number should be subtracted from 108245 so as to get a perfect square? And the answer is option number 2. 45. Question number 45. Find the ones digit the cube root of 6859, and the answer is option number 3. Question number 46. The smallest natural number by which 1296 must be divided to get a perfect cube is, and the answer is option number 2. Question number 47. 72% of 25 students are good in mathematics. How many are not good in mathematics? And the answer is option number 2. Question number 48. Data collected in survey shows that 40% of the buyers are interested in buying a particular brand of toothpaste. The central angle in degrees of the sector of the pie chart representing this information is, and the answer is option number 3. The monthly salary of a person is rupees 15,000. The central angle of the sector representing his expenses of food and house rent of the pie chart in 60%. The amount he spends on food and house rent is, and the answer is option number 4. Question number 50. The mid level of class interval is called its, and the answer is option number 2. Let's move for the section B. English. Read the following passage and answer the following questions by choosing the most appropriate option. Question number 51. Mary truly enjoyed the university years, and the answer is option number 3. Question number 52. A lot of emphasis was laid on Mary's education because the answer is option number 2. Question number 53. Which of the following statements about the passage is not true? And the answer is option number 1. Question number 54. Rearrange the following word phrases to make a meaningful sentence. Choose the correct sequence. Cold /a /it was /beautiful /t, and the answer is option number 1. Question number 55. Answer by choosing the most appropriate option. To tie yourself in knots means, and the answer is option number 2. Question number 56. Someone has lit the fire. Choose the correct passive form of this sentence, and the answer is option number 2. Question number 57. Weather forecasts aren't a very reliable, and the answer is option number 4. Question number 58. The princess was very generous. Everyone liked her for her innocence. Choose the most appropriate word, and the answer is option number 3. Question number 59. Neither of the girls the collect their certificates. Choose the correct answers, and the answer is option number 2. Question number 60. Rearrange the following words phrases to make a meaningful sentence. Choose the correct sequence. Into her water / everyone crowded / to see / jump / around / him, and the answer is option number 3. Question number 61. He acted at the dinner table, and the answer is option number 3. Question number 62. The price of this mobile phone is higher than yours. Choose the edited form of the underlined words from the options given, and the answer is option number 4. Question number 63. The young teacher was brimming with confidence. Identify the adjective in the sentence, and the answer is option number 1. Question number 64. I need to check I have brought my umbrella, and the answer is option number 2. Question number 65. She has now organized her document in properly labeled files. Change to passive voice, and the answer is option number 3. Question number 66. It is late and to get any sleep I must go, and the answer is option number 1. Question number 67. She speaks of all us when she says that we are grateful for your kindness. Choose the most appropriate proposition, and the answer is option number 3. Question number 68. Between his cat and his dog, his cat is more loyal of the two. Choose the correct answer, and answer is option number 3. After the school was dismissed, she said with pretend causelessness that she wanted to go and meet the new teacher, and the answer is option number 2. Question number 70. You dash an accident if you go on driving like that, and the answer is option number 2. Question number 71. Would you like some tea or coffee? The assistant asked me. Choose the correct reported form of the sentence, and the answer is option number 1. Question number 72. Choose the correct spelling, and the answer is option number 1. Question number 73. The correct synonyms of the word zenith is, and the answer is option number 3. Question number 74. The room was filled by the wizard shrieks and fiendish laughter. Select the correct autonym of the underlined word, and the answer is option number 4. Question number 75. I am doing hard work to get the college of my choice. Identify the incorrect part of the sentence. And the answer is option number 2. Let's move to the section C. It's general science. Question number 76. Water harvesting means. And the answer is option number 3. Question number 77. The process of zinc lamination coating on iron is called, and the answer is option number 3. Question number 78. Conditions for good electroplating are, and the answer is option number 3. Question number 79. Electroplating is the application of, and the answer is option number 2. Question number 80. An earthquake measuring 6 on the Richter scale is more powerful than another of magnitude by 4 by, and the answer is option number 2. Question number 81. Rabi crops are, and the answer is option number 1. Question number 82. The process of conversion of sugar into alcohol is called, and the answer is option number 3. Question number 83. Identify the correctly matched pair from the following, and the answer is option number 3. Question number 84. Napoleon's balls used to repel moths and insects are derived from, and the answer is option number 3. Question number 85. The slow process of conversion of dead vegetarians into coal is called, option number 4, and the answer is option number 4. Question number 86. Which amongst the following is a petroleum product which can be used for metaling of roads, and the answer is option number 2. Question number 87. A person suffering from dash dash should always cover his mouth and nose with handkerchief while sneezing. And the answer is option number 1. Question number 88. Which of these traps air the most? And the answer is option number 3. Question number 89. Which non-metal is highly reactive and is used in making matchsticks? And the answer is option number 1. Question number 90. What is the product formed when a metal reacts with water? And the answer is option number 1. Which of the following pairs of organelles does not contain DNA? And the answer is option number 3. Question number 92. Which of the following feature helps to diagnose a plant cell from an animal cell? And the answer is option number 1. Question number 93. Cloning is similar to which the following of modes to reproduction? And the answer is option number 4. Question number 94. Which of the following correctly represents the value for the normal atmospheric pressure? And the answer is option number 4. Question number 95. Loudness of sound is proportional to, and the answer is option number 1. Question number 96. A man stands 10 meters in front of large plane mirror. How far must he walk before he was 5 meters away from his image? And the answer is option number 2. Question number 97. Which of the following metals is used in electroplating to make metal objects appear shining on car surface? And the answer is option number 3. Question number 98. What are the two gases mainly responsible for acid rain? And the answer is option number 1. Question number 99. A set of terms pertaining to reproduction are given below. Choose the set that has an incorrect combination, and the answer is option number 3. Question number 100. The larva of frog changes its forms by sudden and drastic process called, and the answer is option number 4. Let's move to the section D, social studies. Question number 101. Who were the European artists appointed by Muhammad Ali Khan of Arcot? And the answer is option number 1. Question 102. The temperate grasslands of South Africa are called the, and the answer is option number 1. Question number 103. Thinnest layer of the earth is, and the answer is option number 1. Question number 104. Which of the following is an example of non-metallic mineral? And the answer is option number 4. Question 105. The emperor who ascended the throne at 13 years of age was, and the answer is option number 2. Question 106. The number of seats reserved for scheduled tribes in Lok Sabha is, and the answer is option number 4, which is referred to as the supreme law of land, and the answer is option number 3. Question number 108. The breaking up and decaying of exposed rocks by temperature changes, frost action plants, animals and human activity is called, and the answer is option number 3. Question number 109. A motion of non-confidence against the government can be introduced in the, and the answer is option number 2. Question 110. Ministry of Human Resource Development was created in, and the answer is option number 3. Question 111. 29th March 1857 is a significant date because, and the answer is option number 1. Question number 112. Which of the following is not categorized under the Himalayan earthquakes? And the answer is option number 3. Question number 113. Dash dash, a great scholar of Sanskrit, felt the Hinduism was oppressive towards women, and the answer is option number 4. Question 114. Burning of fossil fuels, and the answer is option number 4. Question 115. Which incident in the history of the Indian freedom movement made Tagore angry and made him renounce his knighthood? And the answer is option number 2. Question number 116. Which of the following is fundamental right? And the answer is option number 2. Question 117. Tico's art, and the answer is option number 1. Question 118. The Supreme Court of India has laid down specific requirements and procedures that the police and other agencies have to follow for the arrest, detention and integration of any person. These guidelines are also known as, and the answer is option number 2. Question number 119. Name the Indian revolutionary who threw a bomb in the Central Legislative Assembly on 8 April 1929, and the answer is option number 3. Question number 120. Who is the founder of Khudai Kidmakers, a powerful non-violent movement among the Pathans? And the answer is option number 1. Question 121. What is the meaning of the Japanese term tsunami? And the answer is option number 4. Question number 122. Air pressure dash dash as the height increases, and the answer is option number 2. Question number 123. Victualler is the cultivation of, and the answer is option number 1. Question number 124. Where did Gandhiji launches the meal workers strike of 1988? And the answer is option number 2. Question number 125. Which of the following was termed as devalued at Technical by Gandhiji and Jinnah? And the answer is option number 3. Let's move for the section E, intelligence. Question number 126. Insert the missing number. And the answer is option number 2. Question number 127. Choose the alternative that best represents a relationship similar to the one expressed in the original pair. F into 216. What is the answer of L? And the answer is option number 1. Question number 128. In a certain code, terminal is written as NSFUMBOJ and towers is written as XPUTSF. How is mate written in the same code? And the answer is option number 3. Question number 129. Arrange the following words as per order in the dictionary. And the answer, first, quit, quite, queen, and fourth is Q. And the answer is option number 4. Question number 130. Find the odd one that doesn't belong to the group. And the answer is option number 1. Question number 131. 5 friends are standing in a row. Amar is taller than Samir. Prabhat is taller than Umesh, but not as tall as Samir. Ashok is shorter than Umesh. Who among them is shortest? And the answer is option number 1. Question number 132. Complete the series 3, 10, 101. And the answer is option number 3. Question number 133. Select the related word from the given alternatives. Hirakud, Mahanandi, Tehrudam. And the answer is option number 2. In the following question, select the missing number from the given series. 25, 144, 60, 81 to 25, 135, 49 to 89, and the answer is option number 1. 130. Question number 135. Field with subtitle suitable word. Field with a suitable word. Quarantine, separated, radical, and the answer is option number 3. Question number 136. Choose the later group that represents a relationship similar to the one expressed in the original pair of the later groups. Understand, doesn't do, retirement, and the answer is option number 2. Question number 137. Michael is 14th from the left and the row of 40 boys. What is the position rank from the right end? And the answer is option number 4. 130. Question number 138. P is the brother of Q and R is a brother P is a brother of Q and S is R's mother. T is P's father. Which of the following statements cannot be defined true? And the answer is option number 4. Question number 139. Choose the correct option in place of question mark to complete the given series. 21, 25, 33, 49, 81 question mark, and the answer is option number 1. Question number 140. Tiger is related to cube in the same way as elephant is related to, and the answer is option number 4. Question number 141. If in the year 2012 January 1st is Sunday, then which day is the Indian Republic Day in the year 2012? And the answer is option number 3. Question number 142. What comes next in the series? 7, 14, 42, 168 question mark, and the answer is option number 2. Question number 143. In a list, if Shikha is 15th from the upper and 17th from the lower, and then find the total number of the people in the list. The answer is option number 3. Question number 144. Find the fourth proportional of 4, 5 and 16, and the answer is option number 4. Question number 145. Pitch is related to cricket in the same way as arena is related to, and the answer is option number 4. Question number 146. The time in the clock is 12:15 if the hour hand points to the east, which is the direction opposite to the minute hand, and the answer is option number 4. Question number 147. 5 boys A, B, C, D and E are sitting in a row. A is to the right of B and E is to the right of B but to the right of C. A is not the left of D, who is second from the left end, and the answer is option number 2. 148. A word has been given followed by 4 other words, one of which can be formed by using the letters from the given word. Preparation. And the answer is option number 4. Question number 49. What is the angle between the hour hand and the minute hand when it is 5:10 p.m.? And the answer is option number 4. Question number 115. From his house, Ramesh goes 15 km to north. Then he turns west and covers 20 km. Then he turns south and covers 5 km. Finally, he turns east and covers 30 km. Looking from his house, in which direction is he standing? And the answer is option number 2. Thank you.